Hey guys, it's your boy Sad P here. Welcome back to another video, and today things are going to be a little different. As you know, I usually start out my day with work, like many of you, and I'm trying to learn the one and hops. And I just thought to myself, why don't I try to approach this differently? Scientifically. Yes, it is Sad P again. We are still learning one and hops, and we have seen massive progress. We're in week 6, and that video is going to be shared soon. For those who don't know, I'm Sad P. Thank you for joining this journey. It's going to be an interesting one, and this is just an innovative approach that I thought I would share with you all. Okay, so the question that I want to answer is, why did I decide to use the scientific approach? Outside all of this, my professional work is in research. I'm a research associate, and what I do is provide evidence for policymakers to make informed decisions. And one morning I was looking at this spreadsheets at work, and I just thought, why don't I make my one hand hop journey a research project? So I decided to collect the data. For now, it's been about 1 month and a half, I think. Yeah, it's been about 1.5 months, and I've been collecting data consistently. Unfortunately, for the days where I did not, I just skipped those days, and I have some kind of spreadsheet that is going to demonstrate the journey and how it is going. And with these data points, I think I can make certain decisions on how I should progress. And let's move on to the spreadsheet. I am aware a lot of people are not so interested in numbers, but it's okay. I'm going to try to make it really interesting. Each column that you see here is a day, a training session, right? And this cell, the first cell, represents the number of hops and attempts that I made that day. These are not all the hops that I did in the entire day, but what I mean is that there is a section, there's a time when I decide to start taking these records, and it's about 20 minutes when I do this. So as you can see here, from my left hand, I have 3 hops, 2 hops, 5 hops, 3, 12. I keep recording as I practice. And then for the right hand too. So there are 3 measures that I'm focusing on. Number 1, average, which is left A or right A. Number 2, median, which is left median, which you can see here. And then the max. The maximum is basically the highest possible score, which is in that day. Let us focus on this day when I go 28 hand hops. You can see that my average was pretty high. I had an average of 10, and I had a median of 28, and a minimum of 3 hops. And this is how basically I am capturing all this data for each and every day that I'm going on. So the reason as to why I focus on these three is, 1, the average is going to show me the range in which I am, doing the hand hops. Yes, but I cannot only focus on the average, because the average is a bit skewed to a certain direction. In other words, if you get like 3 lucky hops, it's going to take you, in that direction. For example, if I have 15 hops, and then I have 3, and then I have 2, and then I have 5, the average is going to be a high. Yes, and yet that was just a lucky one. That is why I bring the median. Now the median is the central value. So this is the actual measure. So I would say that on 24th of June, I do 8, like as a human being, I do 8. Though I managed to do, the max. So max shows me the potential of where I can go, of what is possible. And when I did 28 hand hops, I just knew that I'm actually getting there. And the goal for this is that the goal for the average is 15, the goal for the median is 15, and the goal for the max is above 25. And I'm just going to keep pushing until I see that I'm getting there. Okay, moving on. So you can see these graphs don't really show the progress in the sense that I don't have a lot of data points which can be used to actually show a very systematic trend. As you see here, the trend is continuing, is going up, is going up, is going up, and then it, drops, and then again it goes up, and then it drops. But I got something to try and demonstrate that. So using these same data points, I decided to develop a trend. Yes, so what you see as dots here, these are the attempts, rather the average points for a specific day. And as I continued doing it, I decided to utilize the formula within Excel, and it developed for me this trend which shows how I am progressing. And even though I have little data, it still shows that I'm progressing and I'm moving up slowly by slowly. So what I did, I decided to use the same data points to try and predict how things are going to be in the near future. Now, this is not accurate and this is not concrete that this is how I'm going to go. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to do better than this. But according to how the extrapolation is working, it showed that I would reach my goal of 15 median. That is around, for the left hand, that'll be around 10th September or around 9th September here. Yes, for this year. And then for my right, it shows that I would reach 10 hand hops standard on median around February of next year. Now, these are just predictions. I'm going to keep updating this, and I'm going to keep giving you updates on how this is going, and I'll be sharing the progress bar as I move on. All right. Definitely, I still have a long way to go, but I think this approach is going to show me exactly how I'm progressing and how fast I'm going. I don't think anyone has done this before, and I don't think anyone in the b-boy space has done this before, and I think that qualifies for a subscribe. Please subscribe, like this video. You can share with your friends, and maybe someone can learn something from this. As the data continues to grow, I'll keep sharing it, and I think I will even be presenting it even much better. All right, thank you. Cheers.